Hello everyone and welcome to Product is Life, your one-stop shop for anything and everything about product management. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 user experience designs that Instagram does wrong. Instagram is the 6th most popular social network in the world and we spend a good amount of time daily on Instagram. Instagram is often praised for its UX design, which has made it a hit among youngsters. However, there are quite a few UX design principles or standards that Instagram regularly breaks. Is this something that differentiates Instagram from the rest? Or is this a missed opportunity by Instagram? In this video, I'll be switching back and forth between various popular social media platforms to give you a real-time comparison of these UX designs across different platforms. So let's get started and discuss the 5 user experience designs that Instagram does wrong, or at least 5 designs where there is scope of improvement in Instagram. First, placement of save or bookmark icon. Instagram has its save icon at the bottom right of the post, as you can see here at the bottom right. However, through years of social media experience on multiple platforms, we have been subconsciously programmed to click in the top right to save or bookmark a post. Let's check some of the other common social media platforms to validate this. Let's check 9gag first. Here, as you can see, the save icon is right at the top. Now Facebook, LinkedIn and Reddit are a bit indirect in the sense that we have to go through a 3-dot menu to save or bookmark a post. Let's check LinkedIn first. There you go. As you can see, the option to save is inside the 3-dot menu here. Same is the case with Facebook. Let's check Facebook. There you go. Here also we have this 3-dot menu and the option to save is inside the 3-dot menu. Let's also check out Reddit. And here we have Reddit. Here also we have this 3-dot menu and the option to save is inside the 3-dot menu. But you must notice that the position of this 3-dot menu in all 3 of them, LinkedIn, Facebook and Reddit, is at the top right. So if you have to save a post on Facebook or LinkedIn or Reddit or 9gag, you intuitively look towards the right. I'm gonna consciously keep Twitter out for comparison of the save icon placement because their bookmark option is a total disaster, where it is buried inside the share option. Now, there may not be a fixed standard for where to place the save button, but in my opinion, the more intuitive or subconscious a social media platform is, the better it is. By deviating from the standard, Instagram is consciously introducing a disconnect from the user in the user experience. Next, placement of timestamp. Instagram places the timestamp of a post at the very bottom, even after the comments box. As you can see here, the timestamp is at the bottom of the post. This again is a deviation from the unwritten rules of social media. Almost every other social media platform has the timestamp right at the top. Let's start with Facebook. Let's see where does Facebook places its timestamp. So here we have Facebook, and as you can see, the timestamp is at the top, just below the username. Same is the case with Twitter as well. Let's open Twitter, and here we have Twitter, and again you can see the timestamp is right at the top, just next to the username this time. Let's also check LinkedIn. Here we have LinkedIn, and again you can see here the timestamp is at the top, again below the username. I would even consider this as a UX mistake by Instagram, and they should also start showing the timestamp at the top. Next, activity icon is same as the like icon. Instagram uses the same icon for like and activity or notifications. As you can see here, this icon and this icon, Both are using the same heart icon. This also, I believe, is a UX gap. I may even exaggerate a little and say it's a bug. The activity section gives information about like, comment, and new followers. So using the like icon for activity is not just confusing, it's wrong. Same icon for two different workflows is just weird. You don't have to do something stupid just to be different. The ubiquitous bell icon has long ago won the de facto status as the notification icon. Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube all subscribe to the same philosophy. Now let's check other major platforms. Let's check Facebook first. As you can see on Facebook, this is the bell icon being used for notifications. Let's see what do we have on Twitter. This is Twitter, and here also you can see that the bell icon is being used for notifications. Same is the case with Reddit as well. Let's open Reddit. Here we have Reddit, and as you can see at the bottom right, again the bell icon is being used for notifications. And we all are very much aware of the YouTube bell icon. So we have YouTube here, and this you can see again is the bell icon being used for notifications. On that note, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Next we have is the comment icon design. Now this is a bit tricky and the most subjective of all. When you think of a comment icon, what is the first design that comes to your mind? Is it the left to right design or the right to left design? For me, the left to right is the more intuitive one. Even a quick Google search of the comment icon confirms the same. Of the top 15 search results, 12 have the comment icon as left to right. However, Instagram uses a right to left comment icon. As you can see here, this is the comment icon, and if you notice the direction, it is from right to left. Now, is this too much of a deviation from the standard? Or is there even a standard comment icon design in the first place? When I consciously researched on multiple platforms, I realized that there is no one consensus on the comment icon design among different social media platforms. Let's check all the other major platforms. Let's start with Facebook. As you can see, Facebook here sticks to the standard left to right comment icon design. But what about LinkedIn? We have LinkedIn here, and we can see that LinkedIn uses a right to left comment icon, similar to what we have on Instagram. Twitter and Reddit, on the other hand, have taken a more neutral approach of starting the comment icon from the middle. Let's check Twitter. This is Twitter, and here if you notice the direction of the comment icon, it is starting somewhere from the middle. Same is the case with Reddit, and let's open Reddit. Here we go. And this is the comment icon, again starting from the middle. YouTube, on the other hand, has no comment icon at all. They have decided to just go ahead with the word comment. This is YouTube, and here you can see they just have used the word comment here and no icon at all. So I think we can give Instagram a pass here, and it's really subjective, and only the data of respective platforms can tell us if either of the designs is preferable or leads to a better engagement. Next point is, clicking on a user image icon in the feed shows the stories instead of user profile. Now, if I haven't seen the stories of a user, then clicking on the user image icon from the Instagram feed shows me their stories rather than their profile info. However, usually on the social media platforms, clicking on anybody's profile icon shows their profile rather than stories. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube are few other social media platforms that offer the feature of stories, and all these platforms adhere to the ideology of showing a user profile on clicking their user profile icon. On a side note, Instagram seems to be a bit more obsessed with stories. Even in the feed, there is more than the required push to engage with stories. A dedicated card of recent stories keeps showing up every now and then in the feed, but that's a discussion topic for some other time. Do you agree or disagree with these points? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest happenings in the product world.